Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Krishna, what's happening? Narayanam Namaskrityam Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jyaudirayet Nashtaprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nashtaki. Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, 4th Canto, Chapter 16, Praise of King Prithu by Professional Reciters, verse number 15. 15, right? That's what we have
12.
to do?
12.
12, Mataji.
12,
Mataji.
okay.
12.
12, okay, thank you. So let's start. Some people have their mics on. Can you please mute? How do I do this? Verse number 12. Antarbahishcha bhutanam pashyan karmani charinehe udasina ivadhyaksho vayor atmeva dehinam. Antaha, internally, bahi, externally, cha, and bhutanam, of living entities, pashyan, seeing, karmani, activities, charinehe, by spice, udashinaha, neutral, Iva, like, Adhyaksha, the witness, Vayu, the air of life, Atma, the living force, Iva, like, Dehinam, of all the embodied. Translation by His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. King Prithu will be able to see all the internal and external activities of every one of his citizens. Still, no one will be able to know his system of espionage, and he himself will remain neutral regarding all matters of glorification or vilification paid to him. He will be exactly like air, the life force within the body, which is exhibited internally and externally, but is always neutral to all affairs. So good qualities. Om Agyan Timirandasya Gyananjan Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurve Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Gadamahyam Dadati Swapadantikam. He Krishna Karna Sindhu Deenbandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kantha Radha Kantha Namastate. Saptakanchan Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Prishpanuste Devi Pranamami Hari Priya. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advait Gadadhar Shri Visadi Gaur Bhakti Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Namam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gaurvani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine. Okay, so King Prithu will be able to see all the internal and external qualities of every one of his citizens. Still, no one will be able to know his system of espionage, and he himself will remain neutral regarding all matters of glorification or vilification paid to him. He will be exactly like air, the life force within the body, which is exhibited internally and externally, but is always neutral to all affairs. What opulence of King Prithu Maharaj is explained here? Let me come back. What opulence of Prithu Maharaj is explained here? Which opulence? Yes, which opulence? We will remain neutral, remain indifferent.
Equipoise.
Equipoise, very nice. So what is equipoise in Krishna's 6th renunciation? What is that equipoised out of the 6 opulences of Krishna? Where would you put equipoised?
All knowledge.
Renunciation.
Is it equipoise or equanimity?
Okay. I'm able to come here. Yes, which one? Which opulence of Prithu Maharaj?
Equipoise. All knowledge, Mataji.
Renunciation, very nice. So renunciation is the property that is Krishna's opulence, one of Krishna's opulence, which is explained here. And he is going to be indifferent. Why is he going to be indifferent? What do you think is the reason? What makes indifferent?
Humility, Mataji, humility.
So what makes it? Because nowadays we see, right, that almost everywhere the same thing in the world, that one can buy the justice, right? One can buy the justice. You pay money and then you buy the justice, right? My spiritual master tells a lot about it, that if somebody is rich, then they can actually buy the justice from someone. But here we are seeing that Prithu Maharaj is going to be like abstinence. No one will know his system of abstinence. No one would know what kind of a system is he going to adopt to punish or to forgive someone. Nobody knows. And he will stay aloof from all glorification or vilification. Doesn't matter whether somebody is honoring him, dishonoring him. He will remain neutral, and he will be able to see the internal and external activities. My question is that what makes the king of a country so equipoised? What is the quality in that king that's making? I mean,
so that others can follow him.
Yes. Oh, yes. What is the quality? What is the reason?
So that others can follow him.
He needs each and everybody.
Because they should not.
Paramatma is there in everybody.
I'm focusing on the quality in the king, not so much about the others, because he's not bothered whether one is glorifying him or vilifying him. He's not bothered about that.
So that others can follow him. Because after seeing him only,
followers. Doesn't need followers.
Mataji, it is concerned at all with the
because otherwise everyone else.
Sukha dukhada.
That's equipoise.
Everyone else may try to do the same if he's not truthful.
But that could be one of the reasons. But please understand, but that's not the primary reason. You know, I am not acting as a mother so that tomorrow when my children have children, then they should know how to act as mother. Is it like that? Like when a mother or a father are raising their children, are they raising their children with the intention that tomorrow when my children will have children, then they should know what a father and mother is? Is that the primary intention?
No.
That's not a wrong answer, but think more deep. Go more deep. What is somebody? What is the
role? His duty as a king.
Duty as a king is also external reason. That is not a wrong answer also. That is also okay. Thank you for thinking. But because he is aware that everyone is part and parcel of Krishna. Everyone is actually constitutionally a soul and not the body. So we read this in 5th chapter, that how a person in knowledge acts, where there are 3 doers explained. My girls from Bhakti Shastri, if they're here, yes. How a person in knowledge acts when they know they're opening the eyes, they're closing the eyes. They're what is happening really? The sense objects are coming in touch with. What is the meaning?
Actions, only the Indriyas are working, not him.
Indriyas are working in contact with the modes of material nature, but I as a soul is always aloof from that, right? Eating, drinking, talking, walking, opening the eyelids, closing the eyelids, all this is given in 5th chapter. So he will be able to see everything as it is, because he will be able to see the people as they are. Why our government or we ourselves are having hate, the sense of hatred and the sense of liking, the sense of hotness or coldness, because we are not able to actually see perfectly as to who I am and who the other person is. Okay, but King Prithu is not like that. He will be able to see. That is why his action will be dictated by his perfect vision. Right? If somebody is a good doctor, good surgeon, then they will be able to treat the person because they will be able to see the proper place, right? Dr. Parik, you're here. You mark the surgical site and do the perfect.
Yes,
or if there is a surgeon who gets confused in the operating room, I don't know what to do. That's not a good impression on anybody, right? Not on the nurses, anesthesia, or so many other people in the operating room. Yes?
Yes,
I don't
Mataji.
know what to do. So, because they have a perfect vision. Om Tad Vishnu Paramam Padam Sada Pashyanti Suryaha. This Satatam, I don't know, there's this Rig Ved mantra that they have perfect vision. Or 4th chapter, Bhagavad Gita, last verse, 34th verse. Tad Vidhi Pranipatena. Who knows that verse? Pariprakshena Sevaya Upadakshanti Tad Jnanam Jnanina Tattvadarshi. So that person is Tattvadarshi. Tattvadarshi matlab hota hai, Tattva means the reality of the thing will be visible to that person because they have seen the truth. They can also tell you the truth. So King Prithu's 2 qualities are here. Equipoised, very nice. And then he is also going to be renounced. And also he is going to see